Did you know that sneezing is not just a reflex? It's your body's way of clearing irritants from your nose and preventing germs from entering your system. When something irritates your nasal passages, your brain kicks into action, triggering the sneeze reflex. A strong burst of air is expelled, pushing out those irritants and any germs into the environment. Did you know that sneezes can travel up to 30 feet? This is why it's important to cover your mouth and wear masks. As sneezing helps clear irritants, it also activates your immune system to defend against those pesky germs.